Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Maestro Speaks. I hope you guys are doing great out there. I'm in tip-top shape, and thank you guys for tuning in. Now we're gonna be analyzing the GBPNZD currency pair. As you know, I've been watching this market for quite some time, and I was telling you guys that a sell is imminent because the market, well, a healthy market goes up and down. Okay, a healthy market goes up and down. All markets are doing, they're going from support to resistance and from resistance back to support. Now, this particular pair, and I'm looking at the weekly at this time, it reacted last week off of a historical resistance area. This is the 2.0537 level. The area, not the exact point, but the actual area itself. All right, I just drew my line there because if you look to the left, I'm a support and resistance trader. If you look to the left, people say supply and demand. I call it support and resistance because you got the floor and the ceiling. Historically speaking, this market has touched off of this point before. And as you know, the weekly um, support and resistance levels are very strong. They're not like the 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute levels because those levels are, ooh, you'll be messed up. Trust me, because you will have multiple support and resistance levels. But these ones, when you see these levels on the higher time frame and you see something like this bad boy right here, this doji at a historical resistance level, this is basically signifying that the buyers are losing confidence in the market. As a matter of fact, the market at this time is consolidating at this area. All right. There's a struggle. And of course, the consolidation only lasts for a while. All right. So you got a lot of traders who they will enter positions and have their fingers and toes crossed because they see that it's an area of structure where a possible reversal is imminent. So they will enter early and they'll just ride the consolidation, don't do anything, and wait for the market to break to their, where they think the market's going to go, whether down. Now, like I say, this market can potentially go down, but overall, let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. I'm zooming out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this market. This market has been making higher lows, higher lows. So the market is going up overall. Overall the market is going up, but it is hitting off of these areas. The same area. It's the market. Look, 2018 reaction off the area. Market fell for quite some time. It bounced off of this ascending trend line and it went up for a while, came back down, touched, went right back up, tried to break through the area. Sorry, not try to, well, a little bit, but the market actually hit, couldn't break, went down, finally broke past, came back down, came up, down. Now the market is right back up to the very same level, but the key ingredient that shows or illustrates or I wouldn't say signifies, because that's like definitive, right? But it's giving you a clue that the sellers are saying, like I said in the last video, sell, sell, sell. This doji candle, let me zoom back in. This doji candle, because you have a past support, future resistance scenario. We're talking historically now. Historically, you got a support, resistance, resistance, resistance again, but then you got the doji there. So I anticipate the market falling. All right, whether you believe it or not. And the good thing about the GBP, it's good to study pairs and to basically trade one pair or just two or three, because you get to learn the moves. Basically, one, if you study, you can learn the moves of the market. All right, you learn these pairs like the back of your hand. The GBPNZD pair trends for a long period of time. Once a move is established, then you can sit back, relax, and let the market do what it do. Now, this market, like I said, is at this area of resistance, and I don't intend anything. I see a sell happening. I see a sell happening just based off of this week. Because if you think about it, and trading is logic, People make it complicated, but trading is logic. It's logic. If you look at this particular market right here, right, and you see what this market did on a week, we're talking about a week's collection of data. The market went nowhere. You have equal selling, equal buying, nowhere. The struggle is continuing. The buyers want to take the market up, but the sellers are saying no. So buyers are afraid. This is why this candle formed. So if the market falls, structurally speaking now, from the weekly perspective, seeing that this market trends a long period of time, structurally speaking, the first take profit if this market falls. This is not a trade alert, okay? This is not a trade alert. But let's say this market, you get confirmation of the daily if you're trading off the weekly, right? If this market starts to fall, sorry, you can expect at least the market to hit the 2.0042 level. That is the first area of structure that it has to break. Now, if it breaks past that area of structure, then the market is going to fall some more to the next level of structure. Consider trading like staircases, support and resistance. All the market is doing is going from one area of structure to the next area of structure. You simply wait for the market to show its hand. Patience is critical in this game. You want to wait to see what the market is going to do when it arrives at a certain level. And your best bet as a trader is to view the market from a higher time frame perspective. Because those levels, I'm giving you some serious game right now, man. You don't need to be hitting this like button. Like if you got a like button showing on your screen for this video, you need to hit that like button 10,000 times. I'm giving you something. It's powerful. All right. View the market from the higher time frame perspective and enter your trades from there. All right. Even if you scale down to the hour from looking at it from the weekly, you can get a sniper entry. Minimal drawdown will occur, if any. All right. So I anticipate a sell soon and very, very soon. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful trading week. Thank you very much. Take care.